The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Pooh Facts.
Crocodiles. Chewing is too good for these greedy beggars. They swallow their prey whole, which makes it very difficult for them to digest and almost impossible to poop. How do they feed the fish then? They eat rocks to grind up all the stuff in their bellies. And they're good to go. Yeah.
Fart facts.
Rabbits. They need to watch what they eat. Eating too much sugar or carbohydrates can create a massive buildup of farty gas in their intestines. This is extremely painful and uncomfortable. And if they don't let their farts go, they can actually die. Imagine that on your tombstone. Burning question. Human turds. Is it okay for them to float? Place your bets.
Historical nuggets.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was a famous classical composer from the 1700s. He wrote operas, symphonies, concertos, masses, and chamber music. He also wrote letters to his family describing his farts in great detail because he was obsessed with toilet humour. Too much information! Burning question. Human floaters, are they okay? No! Floating faeces can be a sign of high fat content. The ideal human poop should be a continuous log that sinks. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.